everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. And in today's episode we are going to make another winter vegetable, which is radish or MULO. So we are going to make another traditional Bengali recipe, which is MULO CHECHKI and MULO shaak. Very simple recipe, so I'm going to share with you. Without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new, and also don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's get started.
So at first we are making MULO shaak. For that I've taken the leafy part of radish and I'm going to show you how to take out the leafy part. I've already done the rest of them. I'm going to show you with these two. All you need to do is just tear up the leafy part from the stalk. That's it. And make sure you choose young radishes because then the saag will be softer and tastier. Okay, so just like this, remove the leafy part and discard the stalk part. We don't need the stalk. Now fold them together and cut them in fine slices, as fine as you can. That's it. Okay, you can see how fine I have cut them. Now we're going to start the recipe. For that, take 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil in a pan. Let it get nice and hot. You have to make sure, because we are using mustard oil, it has to be smoking hot like this. Now we are going to add some boris and fry them for 5 seconds. They take color in no time. See, within 5 seconds they have started to brown, and that's it. We are going to remove them on a bowl and save it for later. And make sure you discard all the oil because they have a tendency to soak up oil. Now in the same oil we are going to add 2 dried red chilies which I have broken. Now half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and after 5 seconds we are going to add the radish leaves which I have cut. See, you can see how finely I have chopped them. So I have taken a bunch of it, and within no time you will see they will tilt down and decrease in size as they hit. They will be heated. So that's it. Now all you need to do, season them. For seasoning you just need to add 2 things. One is salt according to your taste, and second thing is half teaspoon of sugar. It will make the taste better. Mix it, and that's it. See, the saag has decreased in size and they are releasing some water. So all we need to do, cook them in low flame till the water evaporates and the saag becomes soft. See, they have started to decrease more. So in middle you have to stir it, otherwise they will stick to the bottom and they can burn. So cover it to make it more softer for 5 minutes in low flame. After 5 minutes, add just a little bit of water if you think you need it, and cover it for another 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes the water has evaporated. Now on high flame just cook them till they start to release oil. They have started to release oil and become a mush. Now add the boris and that's it. Remove it on a bowl and our saag is ready. Now start our next recipe. For that we are going to take 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Now we are making MULO CHECHKI. Now when it's nice and hot, add 2 dried red chilies, break them and add them. And next goes half a teaspoon of kalo jeera or nigella seeds. Next add 1 teaspoon of ginger and green chili paste. Fry them for a minute. And then we are going to add turmeric, half a teaspoon of turmeric in the oil. And add it for like 5 seconds and then add the radishes. See, I have cut them into very thin slices, very thin, as thin as you can, but you can use grater, like the larger part of the grater that is used for grating the carrots during making the gajar ka halwa, or you can manually do it. I have manually done it, cut them into these thin slices and mix them up so that all ingredients mix up nicely. Now season them with salt according to your taste. Next goes in half a teaspoon of sugar and mix them. And do it in medium to low flame. We have to cook them in medium to low flame. So I'm going to cover it for 5 to 6 minutes in low flame. So after 5 minutes, see, they have shrink down a bit. So add half a cup of water to it. Mix it. Now we have to soften them up. In medium flame, we have to keep on stirring and cook it for like 7-8 minutes till they soften up, the radish soften up. It took me like 15 minutes to get this stage. I mean, the entire cooking took 15 minutes. So now it's done. See, they have tilted down, softened up, and there is no water, no liquid, nothing. That means they are done. Okay, so this will be the texture of the MULO CHECHKI, soft and tilted. So serve it with hot steamed rice and enjoy your MULO CHECHKI and MULO shaak. So if you like the video, do like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.